Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to today's YouTube video. We're going to do a Madden pack opening of I don't know, I just quick gathered up some packs in like 5 minutes, so they're not good packs. They're okay packs. I'm going to do like a bundle. How do I say that? I'm going to do bad packs first, and then our good packs last. Just like, yeah. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. Yeah. But, anyway, let's get on it. Go. My team. View items. Okay, so these are my packs. Those are good packs, so let's start off with the garbage pack. I can tell that I know that you can pull elites in here, but you have like a 20% chance. I pulled a 90 overall in a Bonanza pack, 90 overall in Antonio Brown, but that's okay. Here's 61, let's go. No, just kidding. Oh my gosh, that's 66, let's go. No, it's like the worst pull. Oh, let's see what we can get. Oh, okay, that's actually pretty. Okay, let's see what we can get. 3, 2, 1, bang. Yes, that was actually good for, a thing. 3, 2, 1, bang. Well, I'm gonna see it. Okay, we'll open one. I'll go over. 3, 2, 1, bang. Good. Okay, let's see. This is the fun one. Oh, silver. Okay. Silver. Bronze. Gold. Yay, this is the best. Can we get an elite? We didn't even get an elite. That is sad. I'm telling you guys to get Braxton Miller, 81 overall, QB, 88 speed, something like that, something. Locker, 20 trophies. Come on, can we do this? Let's do this. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm covering up with my hands. Okay, I revealed it. Okay. 1, 0, 3, 0. Only 5K. No, just kidding, that's okay. I'll deal with it. Okay, this is a good strategy. This is how you get a lot of coins. Let's say you got like 50 of these on your bench. Well, not anymore. Ta-da! Now you're just gonna suck. Game time, I didn't feel like opening those. Never ever, do anything with those. But, yeah. Okay, I'm still not done with the video. Darn it. What was I just gonna do? Oh yeah, locker. I actually did a better pull in the 2 trophy pack than the 6 trophy pack, if you think about it. Do the math here. Never mind, but anyway, that's my team. Okay, this is what I'm showing you guys. So I want to do a pack opening later. So I want to get 20 subscribers. Once I get 18 subscribers. Once I get 18 subscribers, I will, let's see here, do a bundle after Christmas because I need iTunes gift card for I don't know. But anyway, let me join your league. I'll send you a gift. Once I get that money, I'll send you a bundle maybe. Just let me join your league and subscribe. I'll only join your league if you subscribe. You'll just need to go in the comment section and say, I subscribe, and then tell me your league name, and I'll join your league. But always, thank you guys for watching. As always, subscribe, don't give up, and I want you guys to make YouTube videos, and thank you for watching. Oh, anyway, put in the subscription below if you have any like things to make my camera be on the thing, so I can show my face and open packs. But anyway, thank you, and see you, bye.